Hello and welcome to a brand new programming video. Yeah, we're back at this game and today we're going to see how to make character recognition functions. These are basically when you use the ASCII code of different characters to catch them inside a string or inside well, a string, mostly a string. Let's say you wanted to know which parts of this hello world we have here. This is the preset program we get when we start this ID I use. Let's say you wanted to see how many letters of hello world are caps and which ones are lowercase. Well, let's leave this like this. Let's delete that hello world, we won't need it for now. And let's begin with the functions. Let's say we want to know whether something is a cap. We're going to do is alpha. No. Is upper. Is uppercase. This is the name that someone... Wait. Oh, that's a recognized word. Well, this function already exists. But you can do some custom ones. I used to think that this was a function my teachers had invented for the course, but it seems not. It seems like it is a common function. So I'm going to do a custom one. I want this alpha only function without knowing that there was actually an is alpha out there that I could use. However, I'm going to teach you right now how this works, because I had to program one by myself in order to run my program, because I didn't know you could actually use one that someone else had already made. So let's rock. Let's go alpha only. It's the original name for me. Let's open a bracer, a parenthesis, and let's get the input, a char, and name it x. Okay, now we want to check this one. Is going to check whether the character entered is a letter. It can be uppercase or lowercase, but it has to be a letter. So it could be in the ASCII table anything from 65 to 90 and from 97 to 122. So what we want to do is add a lot of if statements. If, and this is bad code, this thing I just did of splitting a parenthesis, most people hate that. Don't do that, please. But it's more comfortable for me. Let's say it's minor. No. It's bigger than 62. Was it 62? 65. All right. And it's minor than 90, or it's bigger than 97. No, it is, yeah, 97, 7, and smaller than 122. And now we're gonna do parentheses around these, because otherwise the program won't catch them, because it will have problems while trying to interpret what actually meant there. Okay, that should work, I think. And let's try. Well, this is one. It's going to detect it, but let's give it an output. Return true. Basically, and let's do else return false. That's it. Now we'll get every letter, I think. Yeah, I missed something. I missed something very important, because otherwise, if I don't add this, it will not catch C, A, and A and C. All right. Now that should work. It really should. I hope it does. There was a mistake here. Let me correct it, and let me check that I didn't miss any of these brackets you use. All right. Now let's see. Let's add a command line argument to this. Argnum C. No. Int argnum. That's how you do an argument. And char string It's a string of short strings, now that I remember it. Alright, that should work. And let's say that we run 4 indexes. We're actually gonna have to do some coding for the program to work right now, so we can test it. Well, let's do this in if part. If arguments 1 let's actually take that into another function because it's going to be hard otherwise. Convert, let's abbreviate that to com equals char should work, that should probably work, equals and now we run alpha only come printf it is a letter, new line, and now else printf it is not a letter. Oh, I get what this didn't work. I missed the string commas. There we go. I was wondering why it didn't catch the new line, and that was the reason. Alright, now that should work. It should. Let's try it. Let's give it a single C and see if it runs it. Let's pray. Well, I think we don't need any other libraries. Let's just hope. Bam! Take it down. I missed that. That's very important. You have to define a function before the program. And you may realize that we're not using comments because I'm commenting this live and voice, but when you do a program, you should always add a lot of comments like titles and subtitles. That's what I do because I'm a writer and that's how I used to order things. So organize things. And you should divide the text in the pieces that you're using. Okay, let's try this again now. False undeclared. What the hell? What the hell? Unknown type name bool. What the hell? Type bool is in a. Let's try C++. Yeah, let's just make sure. But what the hell? It returned that C is not a letter. That's what it did? Please tell me that's not what it did. But C is a letter. Let's try something that isn't a letter and let's see if it returns the exact opposite. Okay, this is clearly bugged. And we gotta check out why. Maybe this is working a different way than it's all and the others. I tried that before, but it seems these custom functions are different. Let's try it like this way and see if it works. I wonder what I'm doing wrong actually. Let's check out what value does char_com get. Let's debug that. No, I actually know how to use a debugger. Hard to believe, but I actually know. Alright, start. We have this this breakpoint, is that a breakpoint? Yeah. The variable com is actually 0 now. But it's 0. What the hell? Still over? It never changes out of 0. Oof. Alright, let's try to rescind of that and use the actually arguments 1, 1. Maybe that's a problem. Let's just see the debugger. How can I? Alright. Let's take this out of here and in here. and then delete this. Let's see if that fixes it. Not at all. What could I be doing wrong? Am I accessing the wrong number here? I wonder, is this function real, or maybe I have my teachers too? I imagine so. So let's check out, how can I fix this? Let's actually printf and see what is wrong with the arguments. Placeholder string, comma, arguments 1. It actually gets it. C is not other. So we should remove this one. Let's try that. Is it gonna crash because it converts from what? From char string to char. Yeah, I could picture that. Oh, I see my mistake. There we go. That's the right way to go, isn't it? It is a letter. Oh, we just spent like 5 minutes of our lives debugging something as simple as this. Well, that's basically what a character recognition function does. There are many other ways to do it. You can use the ST table for many other things. For example, if you wanted to get the punctuation that ends the sentence, you'll get a dot, interrogation mark, a question mark, that's what they call, and what's the exclamation mark? I don't know what these are called in English, but this thing. You will get all these, and main one that it takes each one of them with if, else if, oh, oof. That's YouTube Studio. You're not supposed to see that. Well, you will make an if for each one of these possible cases, or try to include them when they are near in a single graph, like we did with the letters. You could actually do one with the numbers, but as you see, there's actually an is alpha already programmed by someone before me. So you don't actually need to do this specific one, but there isn't such a thing an is dot to check if it is a dot, or an is question mark. No one ever bothered. So if you're going to use something like this and you don't want to be repeating the same thing over and over again, it may be useful for you to program a character recognition function. So I hope this video has been of use to you, and if you want more, well, please share it with your friends so I can continue to teach people and actually earn myself some money for my hard work. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. For God's sake, subscribe. So many people are not subscribing. Like the video, share and subscribe. See you later. I'm Pika Saiyan 0, and this has been another video of programming. Bye.